Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how we can use different layers on CapCut. Alright, open your CapCut and then import your video to be main layer on CapCut. And then I have imported my video, this green screen video. And then what we're gonna do is click on overlay option on the bottom of our screen and then click on add overlay. Then choose the photos or video that you want to add to your layers, and I'll go with photos. And wait for a moment, guys. I'll go with this photo. Alright, and then click add right here. Alright, and then we can alter layers or manage the layer of the photos just by clicking on the photo. And for example, wait for a moment, I'm gonna adjust the length first. Wait, guys. And then I also want to remove the background to make good editing for my video. Alright, and then I want to make this photo to be my first layer. Okay, this photo, and just click on this photo, and then I'm trying to find layer option. Wait, just scroll your screen, and this is the option. Click on the layer option, and then I want to put this photo to be my first layer, and just click on the first layer right here. And after that, we can click this check mark. Okay. Alright, and we can adjust the layer by clicking on the photo like this. Alright guys, that's how we can use different layers or manage layers on CapCut. Thanks for watching and see you on the next video. Bye!